When the wind was kicking up, Josh.
And they'll likely be flowing pretty swiftly as well tomorrow into Friday. But, you know, today we were really kind of looking at the potential for severe weather, and it kind of fizzled out. Although I think that is good news for us, giving us some spectacular views as opposed to the potentially damaging hail we had talked about, or the gusty winds, or even a spin-up tornado or two. So we will take the rainbow views along with the ominous clouds seen anywhere from southwest Washington out towards Hillsborough and the western Portland, Vancouver metro area. So thank you all for sending in your photos. And if you happen to have some on your phone, whether they be photos or videos, you can scan the QR code on your screen right now. That will direct you to KOIN.com. Right now, still holding on to some of that wet weather as we hover right around 57 degrees at this point in time. The severe weather threat remains absent for the remainder of this evening after temperatures have managed to fall back into the low 50s for Salem, 57 for Portland, seeing just about the same out along the coastline as our area rain gauges managed to fill up quite rapidly at about 1/10 of an inch as those rain showers started to push their way through our area at about 4 o'clock this evening. The moisture is still found widespread, tracking its way from the south to the north. A few lightning strikes just to the north of Mount Adams and Mount St. Helens as we anticipate that to slow as we move our way through the rest of the overnight hours. A splash and dash shower still a potential for the Portland, Vancouver metro area for the remainder of the night tonight. But we missed out on the opportunity to see any severe thunderstorms. Again, we are okay with that scenario as wind gusts could have typically hit 58 miles per hour. Hail could have been about 1 inch to 2 inches in diameter. And although we did see abundant lightning, that does not fall within the severe weather category. Now, the reason that we kind of missed out on that severe weather potential like we thought was some cooler air kind of snuck in front of this cold front, and it kind of squashed the explosive nature that the atmosphere was setting up for many of us as the cooler, wetter, and rainier, windy weather pushes its way back into our area. We are then left with this trough of cooler and wetter air as we work our way towards the weekend. So here it is all timed out with the Futurecast, expecting a pickup on some of those more heavy, persistent rain showers later in the afternoon, evening hours. The winds becoming quite blustery, nearing almost 20 to 25 miles per hour. Mountain snow continues to fall as we approach Saturday. It could potentially fall back to about 3,000 feet. Now, that southerly breeze, it will be quite windy starting Thursday afternoon, taking us into Friday morning as our rain gauges fill up on addition to what we've already seen, about 3/4 of an inch to a full inch to 1.5 inches possible along the coast. As those winds are expected to remain now the south for tomorrow evening, gusting close to about 30 miles per hour. But for tonight, no severe weather threat. Just scattered showers, temperatures falling back into the low 50s by about sunrise. Here's what's on tap for tomorrow. Mid-50s out along the coast. It will be wet. It will be windy in the afternoon. Low 60s return to the I-5 corridor. Out towards the east, seeing those temperatures hover anywhere from the 50s to the 60s as the higher elevated spots prepare for yet again another round of a few scattered snow showers later in the day. 7-day forecast. The wet, the windy weather, it continues to take us through the weekend. And then we see more of the same Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday as those temperatures stabilize right around average in the upper 50s. So 80 degrees that we felt on Tuesday, 82 that we felt today, breaking records. That's just a distant memory now for us.
And not as muggy. That was noticeable
Not as
too.
muggy.
Okay, back to our regularly scheduled programming and weather.
We will take it.
Thanks, Josh. Hey, Jeff.
People